It is an active day at the airport. Another one up there. He up there, he flying. Birds are out chirping. A damn cat is hunting birds, which is stupid because I feed birds. So it's like, I don't want the birds to think that I'm like setting them up for a trap, because I'm not. You know, I want them to enjoy themselves. But this damn cat here is like hunting them. Like, she just hangs out in this Jeep here, and while they're eating the bird feeder here, she hides deep in the Jeep and then makes her move. Check out my creek. All the water comes in from that yard, so I had to do something. All this was just sitting water, so now it all comes through this little creek here and stops right there because it's clogged up. Gotta fix that there, you know. But anyways, the birds like it. Nice little bird bath. Nice little teddy bear. What up, dog? Haha, dang. Yeah, so that's the yard. Oh, I'll show you this too. Alright, so I got rope tied up from there to there to there. And the birds just hang out on there and take their turn, you know, eating the bird feeder. You can watch them while they sit up there. It's pretty cool. I'm a fucking dork. But it's fun. I like feeding birds. Tight.